Lot 108 is a 2006 Chevy W3500 16-foot box truck. The motor sounds good. It's idling kind of high, like at 1800 RPM. I don't know why, but the motor sounds really good. I put it in drive and drove it in the parking lot, and the idle went down when it's in gear. So, but the motor definitely only has 33,000 miles. Motor's good, the transmission's good. The AC is not blowing cold, it's blowing cool, not cold. It may need some Freon. It's only got 33,000 miles, so it was like a spare truck that was used once in a while, and that could happen for sitting for so long without use. I will show you the engine. Okay, definitely it's low on Freon. As you can see, the AC compressor engaging and disengaging, that's a sign that it's low on Freon. So I think a charge of Freon will fix the problem, but it's blowing a little bit cool. The box is a Morgan. It's in good shape. The body's in great shape, straight. A factory paint, slightly dull, and over here in the cowling, the plastic is peeling. The headlights are a little dull, but there's no doubt it has 33,000 miles. The interior is really nice. The seats look good. They look brand new. They're not dirty. They're not ripped. They're not torn. It's got a Pioneer stereo. It's automatic with overdrive. And it's got, let me see if I can show you the mileage there, 33,000 original miles. Very well kept. The tires look great, all 6 of them. The battery is charged. The box looks great. The rear door, 2 panels are peeling. One of them. The other ones are starting to peel. It's got a lift gate. The lift gate goes up and down, and it works accordingly. I just brought it down. There it goes, going down. And I'll bring it back up. All right, it works fine. I'm gonna open the rear door, show you the inside. Nice and dry. Wood deck floor. It's been patched over here, it's been fixed. Nice aluminum roof. The door rolls up and closes fine. All right, let me get down here. All right, that's pretty much it. It's a nice looking truck. Got potential. Good luck.